Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact process to withdraw your winnings from scatter slots directly into your GCash wallet. First, open the game dashboard and locate the Wallet, Withdraw, or Cash Out tab prominently displayed on your main menu screen. Next, tap on your preferred payout channel and select GCash from the list of available local e-wallets. Carefully enter the exact amount you wish to transfer, making sure it meets the app's minimum withdrawal threshold. After that, type in your fully verified GCash mobile account number and triple check the recipient name to avoid any binding or transfer errors. Click the Confirm button to authorize the transaction and submit your request to the system. Withdrawals are typically processed within a few minutes up to 24 hours. Once approved, you will receive an instant text notification from GCash confirming that your funds have successfully landed in your account. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.